sending and receiving secure messages to and from your GP or nurse. Click on Email Health Centre. A new window opens for you to type your message in. If your doctor takes a lot of time to research and then reply to your message, this is called an online consult. Notice at the top that you can be charged for an online consult. In this case, $25. Select the person you want to send the message to on the drop-down menu. Type in your message. You can also add attachments, such as photos or documents. Click on Attach Files, and then click Choose File. And in this case, I'll add a picture I've saved to my desktop folder. Click Add Another if you need to add more attachments. Click Attach, then click Done. Tick the Terms and Conditions box and send your message. You can also save it as a draft or cancel your message. I'll save it as a draft. When you want to go back to a draft message, click on Email Health Centre and look at the menu at the top. Click on Drafts and your draft message will be there. You can also find messages you have sent before under the Sent tab. When your doctor or nurse emails you back, you will find their message in your inbox.